So you try to turn on your HVAC system and nothing's happening. First things first, go to your thermostat and verify that the thermostat is on and powered up. If the system's still not coming on, go to your electric panel and make sure that the breakers have not been tripped. If they are tripped, you can try to turn them back on, but there's probably a reason that they're tripped. The third thing you can do is go to your furnace. Typically on any modern furnace, there will be a light switch on the side that looks just like a normal light switch. If this switch is off, the power has probably been cut to the furnace, effectively shutting down your system. Turn that switch back on and see if it fires up. If none of these seem to restore the power to the system, make sure you call your HVAC contractor immediately.